Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Okay, so today I'm preparing for my family pork chops and onions in A1 steak sauce, brown rice, green beans. If you want to see how this is prepared, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. For watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.